Patrice Esele Sasa, c'est un record à 21,09.
My name is Patrice Esele Sasa. I am an elite track and field athlete. I won the 100 and 200 meters, but I am also a student in the Master in Management at HEC Paris. At the youngest age, I wanted to start track and field. Thanks to my early achievements in athletics, I realized that I had a potential, so I wanted to go overseas to join a sports studies program in the United States. After my experience in the United States, I managed to be in the top 10 in the nation and also admitted to HEC Paris. I decided to join HEC Paris because it was the best option to reach my professional ambitions. After sport, I would like to pursue a career in finance. I wanted to also gain some soft skills in management, leadership, in entrepreneurship. Thanks to the administration of HEC Paris, I had a schedule adjustment. I only have classes on Mondays and Wednesdays, and thanks to that, I managed to have around 25 hours of trainings in the week to prepare for competitions. What I like the most at HEC Paris is the diversity. There are people from all around the world with different cultures and backgrounds, and it helps me to be more open-minded. We also have lots of activities, clubs, and also infrastructures. I can do my trainings on campus. I also represent HEC Paris at the University Championship. And by the way, this year I won a silver medal on 200 meters. Yeah, it's cool. When I was younger, I was advised to choose between athletics and higher education, but I wanted to do both. That's a huge pride to study at HEC Paris, and I hope that my path will encourage and motivate others, young generations, to do great things both in athletics and in academics.